You asked, what is Guru Diksha and how important is it? Guru means the one who takes you from darkness to light. Diksha means showing you the right way and covering you in God's own form, in God's own power. The meaning of Diksha is that the Guru takes your hand and brings you in front of the omnipresent God, the Supreme Soul, whose divine existence and energy pervades the entire universe. When Guru Maharaji gives the Diksha, a definite commitment takes place between the Guru and the disciple. I will tell you a story that happened to me. Before Baba took his Mahasamadhi, he gave me an order. My child Devdas, you have my mercy. I am ordering you that after this body of mine ceases to exist, you shall give Guru Mantra Diksha to all the faithful people who come to you and ask for it. I didn't consider myself capable of that, so I said, My Lord, I heard somewhere that before giving the Diksha, the Guru takes half of the sinful karma of the person whom he is going to initiate. Is it true? Baba smiled and said, Yes, my child, that's true. And he explained, it is true in the very same way as when a person comes to you asking for refuge. If you start to consider their virtues and sins, it will be difficult for you to provide them the refuge. The refuge should be given to all without looking at their virtue or sin. It is not a question of capability. The Guru or God can both do this. In the very same way, Lord Sri Rama accepted Vibhishana. My child, the Diksha should be given to anyone who approaches the Guru and asks for it. And when you give the Diksha, when you pronounce the mantra, when you give the mantra, at that very moment, an act of exchange, of giving and taking, starts to take place between you, between the Guru and the disciple. So, the Guru has the sacred Guru Mantra, which is the very embodiment of virtue. Now, the person taking the Diksha has been a troubled soul up to now. They are taking the Diksha to attain happiness, to attain peace. So, my child, they have nothing but suffering. What else can they give you? What they have, that starts coming to you. And the best thing that you have, the Guru Mantra, goes to them. And the best thing that they have, the suffering, or call it sin, or call it trouble if you wish, that goes to you. I was alarmed, and I said, My Lord, I am not going to give Diksha then. Baba started to laugh and said, Oh, come on, boy. Only this little makes you alarmed. My child, this is my order. You will give Diksha. It is your job to give Diksha. And whatever good or bad comes out of it, I will take care of that. Gurudev said, you just do give Diksha. If any sin comes out of it, then I will take care of that. Yes, my child. You shall give Diksha, and it shall result in happiness, peace, and prosperity. There is no doubt about this. My child, you are just the speaker. The mantra is mine. The command is mine. Whoever takes the diksha from you, consider them to be taking it from me. Then I calmed down. I prostrated myself before Baba and accepted the Gurudev's order. With my hands joined, I said, "My Lord, your servant will observe your order and will give diksha to whoever asks for it." Baba left his body in 1990, and since that time, for 1 or 2 years, I wouldn't give diksha, but thereafter I slowly started to. So the meaning of diksha is that the Guru takes the disciple's hand and brings him or her in front of God. And he takes half of the disciple's karma, which is also called sin, which would never get destroyed, which they would otherwise never get rid of, and destroys it. And so he relieves the disciple from it. It is like if before the diksha, the disciple gradually collected 100 kilos weight on their head. Then Guruji takes 50 kilos away. So the disciple feels like, oh, it is much better now, much lighter. And then the Guru orders the disciple to chant the Guru mantra. My child, repeat the Guru mantra this many times, and if there is any trouble, do this much more. The Guru gives orders in this way. And if the disciple takes the diksha and then observes the Guru's orders, their burden doesn't increase anymore, but gradually gets reduced and reduced. And then finally one day, there is no burden on their head at all. No burden at all. That's why people sing this bhajan.
अब सौंप दिया इस जीवन का सब भार तुम्हारे हाथों में। अब सौंप दिया इस जीवन का सब भार तुम्हारे हाथों में।
O Lord, we have put all the burden in your hands. We are in the hands of the world. The world is in your hands. Everything is in your hands. And this burden decreases. Guruji takes care of half of it. You have to take care of the other half. That's why they say the Guru is the embodiment of light, who removes darkness. Darkness means ignorance. So he removes ignorance and gives light. If 50% of your ignorance gets destroyed, then it is a lot. If school children's grades get improved by 50%, they will jump with joy. And they are just little school children. You are all wise people, my friends. So think a bit. While the children go to school, they take tests and exams, and then after they pass the final exams, they start going to work and forget how to take exams. But they do not know that there comes yet another exam, another test. and only they who pass that exam are truly knowledgeable and truly wise. So the purport of Guru Mantra, the purport of Guru Diksha, is this wonderful connection or union between the Guru and the disciple. And after this connection is established, they give their energy, their power, their love to each other. And in a very short time, they become bound to one another. The disciple surrenders to the Guru, and the Guru accepts the disciple. A relation gets formed, and we call this a relation of divine union, a divine connection. A relation of Guru's mercy. This relation is only attained by very fortunate people, and those who have attained it should look after it very carefully. This relation is attained through extreme mercy, as the poets say.
Guruji, Guruji, Guruji,
Guruji, accept me to be yours.
Guruji, Guruji, Guruji,
Guruji, accept me to be yours.
Guruji, liyo apnaye. Guruji, 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 Guruji. Guruji lino apnaye. Guruji, 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 Guruji. भटकत रहो जग में अकेला.
I keep wandering alone in the world.
भटकत रहो जग में अकेला.
Without a companion,
ना कोई साथी,
without a friend,
ना कोई सहेला. गुरुजी, गुरुजी, शरण न लियो लगाए.
Guruji, give me your shelter.
गुरुजी, 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 गुरुजी. गुरुजी, 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 गुरुजी. भटकत रहो घोर अंधकार.
I keep wandering in frightful darkness.
भटकत रहो घोर अंधकार में. पाप करूं मैं हर बात विचार में. पाप करूं
Making sin in all my words and thoughts.
विचार में. गुरुजी, 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 गुरुजी. मोहे ब्रह्म तत्व लखाए. गुरुजी, 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 गुरुजी. गुरुजी,
Guruji, show me the true knowledge of God.
ना स्वार्थ का रिश्ता अपना.
Through your unselfish wisdom,
बिन स्वार्थ का रिश्ता अपना.
tell me the right way to God.
ब्रह्म के मार्ग बताए. गुरुजी, 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 गुरुजी. श्री गुरु भगवान.
The feet of the Guru shine like a jewel.
ज्योति श्री गुरु पग नख सुमिरत
I remember this divine view.
दृष्टि होती श्री गुरु पग
The feet of the Guru shine like a jewel.
गण ज्योति सुमिरत दिव्य दृष्टि होती गुरुजी 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 Guru Brahma,
The Guru is Lord Brahma.
Guru Vishnu,
The Guru is Lord Vishnu.
Guru
The Guru is Lord Shiva Maheshvara.
Maheshvara.
The Guru is the Almighty Supreme God. I bow down to the Guru who is all that. So this is the importance of Guru Diksha. One saint said, the Guru accepted me without taking any price. I didn't give him anything. I came to him full of sin, and he gave me the gift of Rama's name. I came to him full of ignorance, and he gave me the gift of pure knowledge. This is the greatness of the Guru, and this is the importance of Guru Diksha, that they accept one another. Guruji takes the disciple's hand and leads him or her to God. Diksha means showing you the way to God. Diksha means making you go towards God. Diksha means teaching you the lesson of truth and virtue.
Radhe Radhe